Hello and welcome. Today, we are showcasing the 14-piece patio cushion covers designed to protect and refresh your outdoor furniture. These covers fit cushions up to 25.6 by 25.6 by 4 inches and come with zippers for easy removal. Made from high-quality polyester, they are splash-proof, UV-resistant, and resist fading, stains, and dirt. The hydrophobic fabric repels light spills while keeping cushions comfortable and breathable. Suitable for various outdoor settings, their versatile design fits many furniture styles. Enjoy durable protection that maintains your cushion's comfort and appearance for years. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.